A blinking blue light on your Spectrum router typically indicates an issue that needs attention. It's a signal that your router isn't functioning normally. Unlike a solid blue light, which signifies a stable connection, a blinking blue light usually points to one of several problems. These can range from firmware updates in progress, which is a benign cause, to more serious connectivity issues or even hardware malfunctions. The router uses these LED indicators to communicate its status, so understanding what the blinking means is crucial for effective troubleshooting. We'll cover what these problems are and how to spot them. Step 1. Power cycle router. Unplug from power for 30 seconds, then plug back in. Step 2. Check cables. Ensure all cable connections are secure. Step 3. Check ventilation. Make sure router isn't overheating. Ensure proper ventilation. Step 4. Check outage map. Use Spectrum app or outage map to check for service interruptions. Step 5. Access admin panel. Go to 192.168.1 to view logs or run diagnostics. Step 6. Contact support. If all else fails, contact Spectrum support. Remember that according to tech experts, 60% of blinking lights are often false alarms and can be solved with a simple reset.